Welcome back, folks. I have exclusive news for you because I know the specs and a release date of the next two Sony cameras coming in July. The Sony RX10 is coming July 9th, so this week at 3 p.m. London time. And drum rolling, the Sony FX5, a way more exciting camera, is coming on July 22 at 3 p.m. London time. So mark those dates, be online on sonyalpha.com to follow the live blogging, because there I will give you a quick overview, easy overview of all the best reviews, news, and everything you learn about these cameras, plus the first pre-order link. So if you really want to get the cameras first as possible, you can use my affiliate links to pre-order the camera, so you get first in line, and also I get a small commission without you paying a cent more. It's a nice way to support me. But anyway, we're getting those two cameras into this video. We share the specs, also again exclusive info thanks to my trusted sources. So stuff that I know will be true on the day of the announcement, so I'm not going to fool you around with fake rumors, specs, whatever I invented. Everything will be real, what I'm telling you today. Before we kick off, the usual reminder to like this video to have my YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button to not miss of the upcoming rumors. So the past days I didn't make a new video because I traveled from Sardinia to Genoa, then from Genoa to the Pyrenees, and then in the place where I am, which is close to Prades, a big fire broke out. So there was a real fight against the fire. We had to stay at home. The air still smells burnt at the moment. The streets were closed, so it was quite not nice coming to the Pyrenees, but now things are improving. But it's extremely hot and windy, so also the next days it will be, we have to a bit to watch out that nothing happens. So that's the personal note. But now I'm making this video because it's time to give you updates about the Sony RX10 and the Sony FX5, because in those days I got many info from reliable and trusted sources. Let's kick off with the Sony RX10. Sony published an official teaser for the July 9th event, so we know that this camera is coming, and basically this is a slightly improved version of the RX10, which is 9 years old, so it will retain apparently the same 1-inch 20 megapixel sensor and also the same 24-600mm Zeiss lens. So not much changed here. What changed is everything around it. So for example, the grip is the one of the Sony A9 3A12. It uses a new double BIOS ZR processor, a new AI chip, so it's capable of fast autofocus and of course AI recognition and so forth. So all the new stuff we saw on the new Sony Alpha cameras is implemented on this model, and that's good news. It also uses the classic Sony Alpha battery that we have in use on most Alpha cameras, so you have a longer battery life. It's way more usable. It has LUT support, S-Log3 support, 4K 120p, so there's nothing really super exciting. This is a niche model for a niche market that is still well alive. So Sony figured out that, yeah, they should update Sony RX10 just to keep it still on the market without investing in much in a new lens design or a new sensor. I think for the kind of market this camera is meant, it's okay, but definitely it's nothing super exciting for most of you. Way more exciting is Sony FX5, and here I have exclusive news again to share on this channel. It's coming on July 22. This is again exclusive first time info I share on this channel and on sonyalpha.com, and nobody else shared anything about this. So after this video, all the others will copy me, sometimes citing me, most of the time not citing me, but again, that's it. What's special about the Sony FX5? It sits between the Sony FX3 and the Venice lineups. This is a camera with Venice philosophy in a compact body. So it's a real step up from the FX3, way more cine focus. So it has, for example, the classic Venice menu. We have a leaked image that I already did show you last week where you can see the Venice menu. So this is way more professional on the FX3, but it still has that compact form factor. I've been told it's a slightly bigger camera, but still very compact. And it's way superior from the people that I heard that are using this camera. This is a way superior camera to the FX3. It will also be more expensive, but not too expensive. So for cine focus guy that want an E-mount full frame camera, that really is super professional. I think this is a cool camera. The center of the camera is a sensor, which is not a global shutter sensor. 3 weeks ago I told you that there might be a global shutter sensor on this camera. I said you so because a source told me this, but he was right on all other specs, but not on the sensor specs. He misunderstood it. In the meantime, we know for sure that this is going to be a new 16.6 fully stacked sensor, classic stack sensor with very fast readout, so rolling shutter will be super minimal and nearly no issue on this camera. That's what I've been told. Everybody's happy when they are testing this camera. They say like the quality is super great. It's a 4K camera, not an 8K obviously with 16.6, but the 4K quality is excellent. What's very cool is that there will be a separate EVF that you can buy and attach on the FX5, and this EVF is also capable of you can tilt it. So the only problem here is that you have to use it on the hot shoe. So if you plan to use an audio device directly in the hot shoe, yeah, you cannot use both, but you have the possibility to use EVF if you want on a Sony FX5. It has triple base ISO. We'll have some info about this soon. Also fast color, XOCN, internal RAW recording. I hope to get a full format soon, but I've been told this is a very capable camera, so internal RAW recording is very high quality. There is also some new format apparently coming with this camera, so that's going to be exciting. Stay tuned on this channel because I will have some info about this very soon. It also has a 3.5-inch fully articulating LCD screen, so this is way bigger than the 3-inch screen of the FX3. We'll have some info about the pricing soon. More expensive than the FX3, but not much more expensive. For what it does, people that is testing the camera told me this is a serious good camera, a serious upgrade over the FX3. I wonder if there will be ever FX3 2. I think the FX2 second generation will replace both the FX2 and the FX3. That's my feeling. I'm not sure about it. One more news, there is also a Viltrox 26mm 2.8 Pancake full frame E-mount lens coming in July. So this is an autofocus Pancake lens. Pricing is $299. I haven't heard of any other E-mount lens coming yet. I know of a Sigma lens coming very soon. I think probably in August, and they will have a video about this very soon. This was it, and now you know what's coming from Sony. And hopefully also in the next videos I can tell you about other manufacturers, because I know that, for example, Panasonic will have a major announcement around probably September. Canon will finally have a camera announcement also late August and September. Nikon, obviously. Fujifilm is going to be big from autumn till next year. They were quite silent, but if you follow fujirumors.com, you know that there's quite some exciting stuff coming soon. And also OM Digital should have a compact camera announcement, and yeah, so there's some stuff coming, but hopefully sources can soon tell me more also about other manufacturers. This is it for today. See you soon for a new video, hopefully in the next days, about the full FX5 specs and hopefully also some cool images of the camera. See you soon.